Hello everyone, my name is Hanum Nisal Khaira. In this presentation, I would like to explain the procedure of English material development. First of all, English materials development is a process of creating, selecting, and improving learning materials for students. This process is very important because the quality of materials can influence how well students understand the lesson, how motivated they are, and how effective the learning process is. In general, there are four main steps in developing English materials. They are selecting and grading, designing, adapting, and evaluating. These steps are connected to each other and work together to produce better learning materials. Let's start with the first step, which is selecting and grading. Selecting means choosing materials that are suitable for students' needs and learning objectives. After that, grading means organizing the materials from simple to more difficult. This is important because students need to learn step by step, not all at once. According to a study by Nazim and Ahmad in 2017, the researchers collected data using questionnaires and interviews with 15 teachers. The results showed that the materials used were not properly selected and graded. The exercises were not useful, and the materials did not help students achieve the learning objectives. This shows that careful selection and grading are very important. The second step is designing. Designing means creating new materials based on student needs. This process usually starts with needs analysis and uses the ADDIE model, which includes analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The goal is to create materials that are meaningful and suitable for students. In this study, the researchers used research and development involving 300 students and 3 teachers. The findings showed that the existing materials were not suitable for students' needs. However, the new materials that were developed helped students understand the lesson better and made the learning process more relevant and effective. The next step is adapting. Adapting means modifying existing materials. Teacher can add, delete, simplify, or rearrange the content depending on students' needs and learning context. The student shows that adapted material can increase student engagement, improve participation, and make learning more meaningful for students. The last step is evaluating. Evaluating means checking the quality of the materials. In this study, data were collected from 68 teachers using questionnaires and interviews. The results showed some weaknesses, such as lack of cultural content, limited exercises, and unclear instructions. This means evaluating is very important to improve the quality of materials. To conclude, all four steps are very important and connected to each other. Selecting and grading ensure the materials are appropriate. Designing makes them effective. Adapting makes them relevant. Evaluating helps improve their quality. And by following these steps, teachers can develop better English learning materials. That's all from me. Thank you.